you, let's discover India's amazing national parks. First, Jim Corbett National Park in Uttarakhand. Imagine thick green forests, a river and tigers. Jim Corbett is famous for its tigers. It's incredible. Next, Bandhavgarh National Park in Madhya Pradesh. This is the place to see tigers. It has more tigers per square mile than almost anywhere else. Get your cameras ready. Now let's visit Kaziranga National Park in Assam. This park is home to the one-horned rhino. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site. That's a big deal. Ready for something different? Let's explore the Sundarbans in West Bengal. Imagine mangrove forests with Royal Bengal tigers. It's full of surprises. Finally, Gir National Park in Gujarat. It's the last place on earth to see Asiatic lions in the wild. How cool is that? There are many more parks to explore. Stay tuned for part 2. See you soon.